Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Root Beer here with question number 11 on the 2003 8th grade Gauss contest. The graph shows the number of female students in 5 grade 8 classes labeled 8A through 8E. Here they are labeled down here. And we've got number of female students, 2, 4, 6. I have a feeling part of this question will involve, can we read off a graph like this? The average or mean number of female students in these 5 classes is... Okay, so to do this question, we need to be able to read this chart, figure out the number of girls in each class. To calculate an average, we take the total number of things we're interested in this case female students, how many female students, over the number of categories they fit into, which is 5 classes. So a number of female students, let's say it was 100 divided by 5 classes, we should get an answer of 20 female students on average. So none of these answers are 20, so I'm guessing that when we add these up, we're not going to get 100. But let's read off the chart and see what we can see. Now, depending on the resolution on your screen, you might be able to see the fainter gray lines in here. So, for example, AD goes up to the midway point between 8 and 10. It's going to be 9. It does have a very faint gray line. I don't know whether or not you can see it, or even if you can see it on the copy of the contest that you downloaded or printed out. Okay, but we're going to be reading these off. We're going to get number of female students in class A, B, C, D, and E. Average is number of female students over the number of classes. Okay, there are 5 of the grade 8 classes, so it'll be over 5. The question is just, what is the total? Okay, when we add all these up. So how many girls are in class A? Well, 8A, the bar from 8A goes all the way up to 10. So there's 10 girls in class A. How many girls are in class B? Well, class 8B, it goes all the way to the top with 14. 14 girls are in class 8B. How many females are in 8C? 8C is one of the ones that goes to one of the halfway fainter gray lines, but it's 7. We talked about D, it goes up to 9, but let's just go back and see that again. Yeah, there it is. 8D, the bar from 8D goes all the way up to 9. And the bar from 8E goes up to another halfway point just below 14, but just above 12. Over here, it's going to be 13. Okay. So the total number of female students is just the sum of all the female students from the classes. If you can do it in your head, that's great. If you need a calculator, that's okay. They're allowed. So 13 plus 9 plus 7 plus 14 plus 10. I've done it on my calculator, and I've gotten 53. Okay, I noticed 13 plus 7, that's 20, plus another 10, that's 30. 14 plus 9, when you add with 9, you just, the 1 digit goes down by 1. So you'll get 3 there, and you'll get 23. So 30 plus 23, 53, yeah, that makes sense. Done it in our heads and by calculator. Okay, so the average number of students, 53 over 5, and that you can certainly use your calculator for. It's going to be 10.6. So there's 10.6 female students on average in these classes. And that's an answer of E. So a good answer to question 11. And we turn our gaze now to question number 12, which we'll do in the next video.